It's a beautiful day. Find a way. Oh, what a day. You gotta find a way. Oh, come on now. Come on, Macau. Come on now. Come on. I gotta go, 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 go. I gotta go. Come on now. Oh, come on. Go, 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 go. I gotta go. Come on now. Oh, come on, Macau. Come on, Macau. Go, go, go. I gotta go. Oh, go, go, go. I gotta go. I gotta go. I gotta go.
Okay, so we're in Macau. We're next to the border. So this is actually we're gonna be walking directly to the border. This is gonna be our target street, which is a little pedestrian alley where people can just pour in from these streets right here. So they'll keep on walking down. But what we're gonna do is follow it all the way down that way. So stay tuned. Okay, we're back in Macau. Let's put this up on the map. We have a taste of the border gate. So the border is right between Zhuhai. It's called Gongbei. So we're going to be in Macau side, and we're going to go across and film over on the Gongbei side, just at the other side. And then we're going to come back again at the end of the day and film again at nighttime on the other side. But most of it will be on the Macau side because we're doing a Macau video. And we got some AI music. I created the music with my own writing, and then I fed it in AI, and then it produced the song. So the lyrics are there as well. All right, let's just show you what the border looks like in Macau. Going to Zhuhai, Gongbei border. Okay, so let's just go right through the middle. We're gonna be walking to the border today, and I guess I'm gonna start. Oh, it's starting to rain. Okay, well, it's okay. We're gonna start on this particular street. I'll give you the name of the street. It's Istmo de Fara de Amaral. Let me just catch the street sign here. Right there. So this is where we're gonna start our video at. We do have these little side streets all the way down in here, but this is the one that we have all the people coming up and down because they're going directly to the border. So I think my plan is to capture this street, and then we're gonna walk to the border and go across, and we'll film on the other side so you can get an idea of what that's like on the other side and how it's a little bit different. Okay, so these are there's lots of people that live right here in these balconies. So we're gonna walk straight on down. The street is fairly small. Most people have their goods that they're bringing back and forth. There's lots of these little side small streets everywhere too. Let's go down over here. It's gonna go down and a lot of pharmacies around here, tons of them, and products. Okay, so we're gonna keep on going down. I don't even know what they're building there. Okay, so this street's kind of short. We're kind of gonna, since the street is so short, I'm just gonna kind of meander both sides a little bit. I don't know what they're doing. They're constructing all these little things like that down here too. There's pallets. Packing their bags of all the stuff that they're buying in Macau and bringing back over to mainland China. Okay. You can kind of see the businesses, a lot of pharmacies. So there's a pharmacy here, there's cake shops for snacks to bring back, pharmacies all along the way. Okay, so we're coming up near where the arrivals are at and the departures. We're going to follow the departure one. So all the people are coming in to the arrivals on this side. All the people coming in, so all these people are going over to the mainland China side. The departure's right there. And I think I'm gonna walk right through the middle. This is the plaza of the border gate. Let's walk through the middle. We're gonna be joining that side to the left in a minute. And then right in the middle is the buses, so you can go underground for the buses straight ahead. Okay. I'm a little bit cautious with the camera because I don't know how close I can be filming at the border. So we're gonna start going this way. And we're going to be behind everybody in a moment with their backs to us, so it's maybe not as interesting. Got taxi stands over here. So you can kind of see when people first come into Macau, you can see all the tall buildings right over here. So all those places people could overlook. And I guess what I'll do is I'll walk up this way so I'm not behind all the people. But this right here is where you can jump in, probably jump out of taxis, but it looks like you could, oh, they're going down. So the taxis are going down like that. There's some buses right there, public toilets. Okay, so I guess these taxis are going to go all the way down to the border so they can pick up people, or they go around and come to the other side maybe. And I'm going to probably stop filming here in a moment. Then we're just going to go across. Okay. Maybe we'll go a little bit further because I'm going to capture this border right here. This there's a yellow thing right over there. So I'll just bring the camera over there. So here's the border gate right here. So this was 1849. There's actually a sign. I don't know if I can go over there or not. But I think this is probably the original one, and it's probably been moved over here because I think it used to be in a different location altogether. But they still keep it. So this is the Macau side, so you can see what it looks like when people come in. And then in a little bit, I'm going to go over to the other side, and you can see what it looks like from over there as well. All the people coming in right over here. Okay, let's go across. And now we're out on the other side. So this is the arrivals for coming in from Macau, and now we're on the Zhuhai side. And we can just walk right into the city right there. So that goes straight. It's one of the main streets directly down that way. And you can see the sign up there that says Gongbei Port way up the top. So alright, so now we're in Zhuhai, China. So yep, we just crossed the border from Macau into China. Let me just turn around one more time. There you go, Gongbei Port, Zhuhai. So there's the border. We're back on the Macau side again. So So I'm just gonna go through this little space. It's raining, but at least you can kind of get an idea of what it looks like. All the people are coming through right there, so I'm gonna just walk through this way. Maybe it'd be a little bit more interesting. But yeah, so we just did a whole, I just did a whole thing all in Macau, or all in Zhuhai, and now we're back in Macau again. And this is when you come back at nighttime. Lots of people coming across over on that side. Tons of them, and they have all the buildings up above. Okay, now we're right back at the same street that we started with. So we're gonna cruise through this again as a final final parting shot. Fun coughing. That'll be gone eventually, but it's still with me now. So okay, and we're gonna come right back to the main street that we were at. This is the Isthmus de Ferrada de Amaral, and this is where we started the video at. And we're back here again late at night, maybe about 9 p.m. or something like that. Not too late. Okay.
You gotta find a way. Oh, come on now. Come on, Macau. Come on now. Come on. I gotta go, 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 go.